Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem if you have no sound during calls on your LENOVO Tab M11. So if you have no sound, so first thing you should do is just to check your volume level during the call. It's very important because you have different, as you can see, volumes for the sound, and during the call you should check up your sound even during calls. Okay, the second way is just to open sounds here and here. Just make sure your volume, ring identification volume is on high. Okay, but sometimes some application like Telegram, for example, can affect your volume sound in some way, just because, I don't know, just because. And you should restart your device. To restart your device, just press and hold power button and click reboot.
For that, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or
go back and just click reboot to restart your tablet, and it will help you in 95% of all no sound issues. Okay, sometimes we can have the problem when we are connected to some Bluetooth device, some speaker, headphones, or sometimes headphones in the case can work, and if your tablet is still connected, so you can have sound in the headphones, but you should have sounds on speaker, right? So just try to disable Bluetooth during call or before the call, and it can help you. Clean earpiece with a soft brush, of course, this really good feature, and try to test with another call or app. For example, if the problem is only in Telegram or in WhatsApp, you can try it in Messenger, for example, or in other application, Google Meet, for example. Maybe the problem in the application and in the app permission. If problem is only in the app permission, you can open settings. You can find security and privacy, and here find privacy, permissions manager, and for example microphone and music and audio. So we should use music and audio, and allow music and audio to your Telegram, for example, or the WhatsApp. And the same with the microphone, right? For example, open camera and allow camera, allow only while I use the application, allow this application to use your microphone. The same with the phone, allow this application to use your phone. Okay, it's very important. So that's it, guys. I hope I helped you. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.